don't feel loser. Just like a human life is like a book. In the same way, there is a dictionary in human life and a word loser in this dictionary. And some people put the word reason at the top of their dictionary. Delete this loser word from your dictionary. So that this loser word will be removed from the book of your life forever. Because loser word is not made for human beings. If you want to move forward in life, just compete with yourself. All you have to do is do one small thing. You have to judge yourself. Where were you yesterday? How far have you come today? What better plan do you have for tomorrow? Here are 3 key pointers in moving forward with your life. And you will never know when you will reach your destination. You focus it on your goal. One small thing to understand. Every human life story is different. Every human lifestyle is different. Every human being has different resources. Every human being thinks differently. Every human being has a different nature. When every servant is different from another servant. So how can we compete with each other? We are not at all with anyone. We stop only because our limited resources. And stopping for a while doesn't mean losing. Try to increase your resources. Path will be formed automatically. And resources are created by people. Think positive. Do positive. As long as man is alive, he can never lose. Man's own thinking makes man a loser.